what actually is AI, since it's pretty much all the hype lately, and it's actually a much broader term than you might expect, since other countries are taking AI education pretty seriously, and I don't want us to fall behind, and I want to make things easier for people who just want to have a fundamental understanding of what will probably be the most important technology of our lifetimes. And with that introduction, here's day one of AI fundamentals in 44 days. Generally speaking, AI refers to any system that is intelligent. It doesn't have to learn like ChatGPT or these image models. In fact, routing on maps is still considered AI because it's literally artificial intelligence, even though that's not what most people mean when they say AI. So if you're setting something up that learns patterns from data, that's machine learning. And this can be really simple, just like predicting housing prices from some y equals mx plus b type stuff. Like literally just doing the trend line fit is machine learning because the machine is learning from a pattern. But most of the AI you've probably heard lately is referring to neural networks. This is designed after our brain, which has a bunch of neurons. These neurons do a thing, and if that thing is good, the connections that caused that thing to be good get strengthened. And if the thing is bad, the connections that cause that to happen get weakened. But more specifically, most modern AI falls into deep neural networks, which just means there's multiple layers. For example, GPT-3 had 96 layers in it. And these became popular in 2012 with ImageNet, which was a very strong proof for the ability of deep learning models. And once again, how they learn is these connections between neurons being strengthened or weakened to have it do things better, just like people. And almost all things that are called AI today, so whether agents that are built on top of LLMs like ChatGPT, Claude, or Gemini, or image generation models or video generation models, are all within deep learning. And we'll dig more into the different types of models that achieve this and how these models actually learn. And you'll probably notice through the rest of the series, I'll probably be saying AI when I'm really just talking about deep neural networks, but since most people just use AI for these terms, it's better to be understood than to be right. And we'll go more into the architectures for how these models learn and how they're designed. But up next is data, since that's what models use to learn. So thank you for joining the first one and stay tuned for that. Cheers.